Welcome to chemistry class students. Today discuss about the topic molar mass and equivalent mass. What are the reactions? What are the important reactions means? First one, combination reaction, decomposition reaction, redox reaction, neutralization reaction, combustion reaction. What is mean by combination reactions means carbon, hydrogen, two elements combine to give with the product carbon or hydrogen, that is called the combination reaction. Decomposition reaction means same element decomposed to give the product, same element Cl KClO3 to give the product KCl plus oxygen, same element decomposed to the product, that is called the decomposition reaction. Redox reactions means one oxidation, another one is reduction. Both the reactions is called the redox reaction. Oxidation reaction and reduction reaction, both the reaction is called the redox reaction. Oxidation and reductions means what? Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, removal of electron. Reduction reaction means removal of oxygen, addition of hydrogen, addition of electron, that is called the oxidation and reduction. This is the redox reaction. Next, neutralization reactions means general formula for general reaction: acid plus base to form salt plus water, that is the general formula for neutralization reaction. Next, combustion means Burns reaction, that is the fuel burns in a oxygen to form or to give heat and product. Okay, these are the important reaction for molar mass and equivalent mass. Next, the simplest formula for equivalent mass equal to atomic mass divided by valency. This is the formula. Valency means number of atoms combined in the form or combining, that is called the valency. Example, H2O. What is the structure of water? Hydrogen. One hydrogen to connect the oxygen. Hydrogen connect to oxygen. Another hydrogen also connect to oxygen. One hydrogen connect to one oxygen. So hydrogen valency always 1. Oxygen connect to one hydrogen and connect to another hydrogen. First and second. Both the hydrogen to connect oxygen. So to call oxygen is the valency number 2. The same way to ammonia, NH3. Ammonia structure, hydrogen valency 1, nitrogen valency, nitrogen connect to 3 hydrogen, so nitrogen valency 3. So class multiple to valency, nitrogen 3, hydrogen 1. Okay. The same way to methane, NCH4. What's the structure of methane? Carbon connect to 4 hydrogen, so carbon valency always 4, hydrogen valency 1. In a periodic table, sodium, hydrogen, potassium, these are the alkaline group are always valency number 1. This group lost 1 electron, Na plus, K plus, H plus form the cations. Okay. Alkaline earth metals valency 2. Example, calcium fluoride. What is the calcium? Equivalent mass for calcium means atomic mass divided by valency. Atomic mass of calcium 40, valency 2, so second group 2, so 20. Equivalent mass is called sodium, calcium is 20. Next, at weight, atomic weight by valency equal to the equivalent valent. These are the elemental species. Elemental species தான் இந்த molar mass and equivalent massல நம்ம discuss பண்ண topic. Okay. Atomic mass divided by valency. Valency 1 or 2. Atomic mass always equal to equivalent mass. Are you understand, students? Next we discuss about the molecular species. Thank you. Yeah.